Today I have a egg carrier. This is good for transporting eggs. It is dishwasher safe and it is lightweight plastic and it locks tight. Okay, this is good for if you're going camping. Right here, it's a good thing to have. You can have eggs when you go camping if you use this right here. It securely holds the eggs, and I'm going to demonstrate it holding the eggs right now. So I'm going to go ahead and take the label off. Place that right there. And then right here I have some grade A eggs, and I'm going to be placing them inside of the egg carrier. And if you look at the egg carrier, it has one side where it has holders in here, and the other side it's not, so it holds it up. I'm guessing that this is the top. It's called a Stansport Egg Carrier. I'm going to put the eggs in here. So if you can see this, there's 3 by 4, which means there's room for 12 eggs inside of this. So I'm going to place them like this. The eggs like that. Place that down there like this. And we have a couple more that I'm going to place in here. And alright, the arm's starting to get tired. Place this in here like that. And 2 more, or 1 more. So all the eggs in here, it fits a dozen eggs. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and close this. And right here, there's snaps right here where it snaps into place. I'm just going to go ahead and take this. Snaps into place. And you can carry it right here, assured that the eggs will not break easily inside of this case. So this is the Stansport Egg Carrier. Good for if you want to go camping. Good for if you just want to transport eggs. Good if you just like keeping your eggs secure. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.